This is another video in my series on alternating current. In this part 2 video, I'm going to calculate resonant frequency from the inductance and capacitors in a circuit. You'll find this topic along with my other courses entitled Power Analysis in AC Circuits. You can access this and my other courses on my Stan Store at this web address. A condition of resonance will be experienced in a tank circuit when the reactances of the capacitor and inductor are equal to each other. That is to say, when 2 pi FL is equal to 1 over 2 pi FC. Because inductive reactance increases with increasing frequency and capacitive reactance decreases with increasing frequency, there will only be one frequency where these two reactances will be equal. To find that resonant frequency, we simply solve the equation for F, and we find the natural frequency for this tank circuit is 1 over 2 pi times the square root of the inductance times the capacitance. Before concluding this video, I want to make you aware of Anchor's Flash Weekend Sale that is ending after tomorrow. These are just a few of the items that are on sale, and to look at the full extent of the sale, simply go to this web address. As a reminder, all of the letters in this web address are lowercase, with the exception of the second last letter, which is an uppercase G. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. This address will give you access to the supplier of aforementioned products, and it is also the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets.